Well, to come back to alcohol, I think that's alcohol now. It's really people know the problem with increased excess alcohol intake, and most of the epidemiological study have shown an increase of 3 to 9% of the risk of breast cancer incidence for one extra drink. And you know the recommendation actually is like less than 1 drink a day. It's mostly for all type of alcohol drinks. It's mostly related to estrogen-positive tumor based on the most recent data. And that's some result from a very recent study from the group at Harvard of Nurse and Health Study, who looked at cumulative alcohol intake through adult life and actually find an increased risk even at lower dose of what we were believing till now. And that 3 to 6 drinks per week would actually increase the risk of breast cancer by 15%. It seems that it's act earlier or later in life. It's not really just a current drink. And I think one interesting finding is this information about binge drinking, which unfortunately is more and more prevalent among young people. So I think it's an important message to pass, that binge drinking could be at increased risk for even stronger risk for breast cancer.